Mathematics is a field that stretches the boundaries of human understanding, offering us tools to explore everything from the very large to the infinitesimally small. It has been developed over millennia, with contributions from cultures around the globe. The following list touches upon some fascinating facts that highlight the diversity, history, and sheer wonder of mathematical concepts. The number 0 was invented in India around the 5th century. Pi is an irrational number, meaning it cannot be represented as a simple fraction. The golden ratio is approximately 1.6180339887499895. Prime numbers are numbers greater than 1 that have only two divisors, 1 and themselves. The Fibonacci sequence starts with 0 and 1, and each subsequent number is the sum of the two preceding ones. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Euler's formula connects 5 of the most important numbers in mathematics, I pi, plus 1 equals 0. Negative numbers were used in China around 2,000 years ago. A googol is the number 10 raised to the 100th power. A googolplex is 10 raised to the power of a googol. Geometry originated from the Greek word geometra, which means earth measurement. Calculus was simultaneously developed by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. A perfect number is one whose divisors add up to the number itself. The first perfect number is 6. The largest known prime number, as of September 2023, is 2 to the power of 82,589,933, a number which has 24,862,048 digits when written in base 10. In Roman numerals, there is no symbol for 0. Transcendental numbers are numbers that are not the root of any integer polynomial equation. The square root of 1 is represented by the imaginary unit I. Fermat's last theorem was proven by British mathematician Andrew Wiles in 1994. An angle's measure in degrees tells you how far apart its two sides are. There are different types of infinity. Some infinities are larger than others. In base 2 or binary notation, numbers are represented using only the digits 0 and 1. A polygon with all sides and angles equal is called a regular polygon. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. In 300 BC, Euclid wrote The Elements, a book that is still studied today. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. The number 7 is often considered lucky in various cultures around the world. The concept of 0 is essential for calculus, which forms the basis for modern engineering and physics. Topology is the study of properties of space that are preserved under continuous transformations. In set theory, a set can contain other sets, including itself. Algorithms are step-by-step procedures for solving problems and are essential in computer science. A factorial, denoted by n, is the product of all positive integers up to n. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions. In statistics, the median is the middle value in a data set when arranged in ascending order. Venn diagrams are used to represent the relations between sets. The sum of all natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus was proposed to be 1/12, though this is a special case in complex analysis. Non-Euclidean geometry deals with geometrical structures that do not meet the definitions of Euclidean geometry. Probability theory originated from studies of games of chance. In trigonometry, sine and cosine functions are derived from the unit circle. The Cartesian coordinate system was named after René Descartes. Boolean algebra forms the basis of digital circuit design theory. Ramanujan was largely self-taught and produced a wealth of original theorems. Mathematical symbols such as plus and equals were not used until the 16th century. The ancient Greeks distinguished between arithmetic, numbers, and geometry, shapes. There are 17 different types of wallpaper patterns that can be created by repeating a simple design. The Mobius strip is a surface with only one side and one boundary. The four-color theorem states that any map can be colored using just 4 colors in a way that no adjacent regions have the same color. A conjecture is an unproven statement believed to be true based on observations. Euler's number, E, is approximately 2.71828 and is the base of natural logarithms. In game theory, the Nash equilibrium describes situations in which no player has anything to gain by changing their strategy. Cantor's diagonal argument shows that the real numbers are uncountably infinite. Mathematics never ceases to amaze with its depth and universality. These facts merely scratch the surface of a discipline that has countless applications and an infinite landscape to explore. Whether it's the mysterious allure of prime numbers or the practical utility of algorithms, mathematics offers endless avenues for investigation and awe.